Goal, aims, and objectives. Goal. A goal is the outcome of a series of successful completed objectives, possibly measured over a series of days. An observable and measurable end result having one or more objectives to be achieved within a more or less fixed time frame. A goal is the target that I want to achieve. As for example, I wish to become a teacher. Aims. An aim is an expressing of a long-term purpose, usually over the course of one or more year. In simple words, an aim is determined course I set to achieve my target. As for example, I plan to get B.Ed degree to become a teacher. Types of aim. General aims and specific aims. General aims of education are those which apply in their generality of the whole mankind. General aims may be classified as individual aims and social aims. Specific aims of education are related to the conditions available at a particular time. The knowledge aims, vocational aims, moral aims, complete living aims are the examples of specific aims. Objectives. An objective is a measurable, observable behavior of less than a day's duration. Objectives act as an instruction for the student or teachers or employees of the institution what they need to do to attain the desired result. They have a short range of perspective, that is, they are small steps taken by the entity to reach the long-term aim. The characteristics of objectives are described as SMART plus C, which means specific, measurable, achievable, realistic or relevant, time bound, and challenging. Comparison between aims and objectives. Basis for comparison. Meaning, an aim is a ultimate goal which an individual or the entity strive to achieve. Objective is something a person or entity seeks to achieve by continuously chasing it. Aims has long-term outcome and objective has short-term outcome. Aims are general direction or intent of an individual, and objectives are specific goal of an individual. Aims describes what is to be achieved. Objectives describes how it is to be achieved. Aims is not time bound, but objective is time bound. Measurement of aims is impossible, but measurement of objectives is possible. Now try this. What are the different aims of modern education? What are the goals and objectives of education? What are the individual and social aims of education? What is the difference between aims and objectives of teaching any school subject? Illustrate with examples.